It's Beetle J, and I hope you're having a Beetle day. Now, Beetle J has not been having a Beetle day every day. It seems Beetle J's had a little bit of Beetle block. Anyways, I have to thank my thought guru. I got a smoke signal from him over Lake Ontario, and his suggestion was that I go through who's who on the Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band album cover. And that is a fantastic idea. Now, I always thought my thought guru was from India, but turns out he's from Florida. Anyways, here we go. Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band, the Who's Who edition. Siri Yukaswar Guri, Alistair Crawley, Mae West, Lenny Bruce, Karl-Heinz Stockhausen, W.C. Fields, Carl Jung, Edgar Allan Poe, Fred Astaire, Richard Merkin, A Vargas Girl, Leo Gorcey, Hunts Hall, Simon Rodia, Bob Dylan, Aubrey Beardsley, Sir Robert Peel, Aldous Huxley, Dylan Thomas, Terry Southern, Dion DiMucci, Tony Curtis, Wallace Bergman, Tommy Handley, Marilyn Monroe, William Burroughs, Siri Mahavatara Bobby, Stan Laurel, Richard Linier, Oliver Hardy, Karl Marx, H.G. Wells, Siri Paramahansa Yoga Nanda, Wax Dummy number 1, Stuart Sutcliffe, Wax Dummy number 2, Max Miller, Petty Girl number 1, Marlon Brando, Tom Mix, Oscar Wilde, Tyrone Power, Larry Bell, Dr. David Livingston, Johnny Weissmuller, Stephen Crane, Izzy Bond, George Bernard Shaw, H.C. Westerman, Albert Stubbins, Siri Lanhiri Mahasawa, Lewis Carroll, T.E. Lawrence, Sonny Liston, Petty Girl number 2. We got 4 wax models of the Beatles, Shirley Temple, Albert Einstein, the Beatles, Bobby Breen, Marlena Dietrich, Mohanda Garhachan Gandhi, Diana Dors. And for this audition, appearing on the cover is the king of the bingo game.